Hi everybody, how are you doing today? I am popping on here live because I thought it'd be fun to show you how to make sangria as well as a mocktail version of sangria. Thought it'd be nice getting ready for New Year's, and a lot of us like to celebrate with fancy drinks. So whether you drink alcohol or not, I have something to show you that you can do with tea. So most people know that sangria is delicious and it is a very popular drink, and I don't know if all of you know how to make it. I know I have shown you before in my VIP group, but I haven't shown you guys for a while, so I just thought my hubby and I are hanging out tonight, and I thought we would have a few drinks, and I'm gonna make a nice regular sangria for you first, and then I'm going to show you how to do it without alcohol. So sangria is really easy to mix and match with whatever you've got on hand. And of course I forgot to bring my wine out, so I'm going to have to pop over to my wine fridge. Just give me 1 second. Bear with me, everyone. So my favorite wine to use with sangria is sparkling wine, but that's just my own preference. I do have some sangria mixes that taste really good with red wine, and some with white, and some with rosé. But you can mix and match with whatever it is that you like, that you think would taste good. Hi, Crystal. So tonight I'm going to use I know I live in the Okanagan, but I don't know how to say this word. Wagner? Anyways, I am not a wine connoisseur. I do like wine. I do like going on wine tours and enjoying learning about them, but it just doesn't, I don't retain a lot of it. But it is fun. So how are all you guys doing? Hi, Shauna. Let me know how your holidays went down below. While everybody's popping on here, I'll take my time starting just so that anybody who wants to learn can learn from scratch. So yeah, so sangria and mocktails, you can use whatever you want. You can use, oh my goodness, this one's only half full. Somebody got into my wine. I might have to ask my husband and my daughter. I'm gonna have to go grab another one. Just hang on 1 more minute. Ah. So I'm gonna use a wine I haven't tried yet. Farmgate Winery. I don't know if this is gonna be good. So this is a yellow plum wine. Sounds fancy. So I'm gonna try it. I think it was a gift. I forget who from. I apologize. If it was you, I'm sorry. To not give you credit. But yeah, I know this is a local wine here in the Okanagan. But in Cleveland. So anyways, what I was saying before was that you can mix and match your juices, you can mix and match your wines, your fruit, it's whatever it is that you think would pair well with each other. So I'm going to teach you how to make sangria with our infusing jug, with this infusing lid as well. We do also have a really nice decanter that makes great sangrias. But I'm just going to show you this one, and I'm also going to show you just what you do if you didn't have the lid and you just have a jug. So you can definitely make sangria without these infusing lids. Because really it's the tea leaves that you want out. If you have fruit that I'm going to be putting in here and it gets in your glass, it's just going to taste just that much better. I think my dogs and my husband are going to come barreling in, so I definitely want to apologize for any kind of crazy noise you're about here. So anyways, so what I'm going to start with, first the infusion jug. So I'm going to make 2 different sangrias. The alcoholic sangria, I'm going to make mango lemon sangria. I really like that one. As well, for the mock sangria, I'm going to make cranberry rosé sangria. Like a spritzer is what I'm going to really make with that one. All right, so our sangria mixes are so good as a sangria or as like hot or cold as spritzers or as iced teas. But look at all those chunks of fruit. So anyways, I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons into my jug. And then I'm going to add my wine. I'm adding a full bottle of wine. Oh my goodness, what is going on with this? Okay. Didn't expect a second lid. And then I am going to add my fruit next. And you want to add frozen fruit. You can add fresh fruit, but if you add fresh fruit, you definitely want to use a muddler or something and muddle that to get the juices flowing. So that's why you definitely want frozen fruit, because you're getting all those nice fruit juices in there. And so I'm using peaches and mangoes and strawberries in mine, and pineapple, and just a few handfuls is good. And then all I'm going to do is I'm going to top mine up with some Sprite. And depending on how sweet your wine is how much Sprite you're going to use. And then all you do next is you're going to put this in the fridge and steep it for 2 hours, a minimum of 2 hours or overnight. And you have your amazing sangria. It is that easy. It is so simple. And isn't that pretty? I love it. Great for a girls' night, great for any night. But, so now I'm going to make my mocktail. So what I did was, if you don't have a steeping jug, there's my crazy dogs. Hi, Tisha. So I have my, you can use any kind of fruit tea, but I used my cranberry rosé sangria, and I steeped it for about 15 minutes in an infuser and just a jug of water. Or not a jug of water, sorry, a cup of hot water. And I just steeped that for 15 minutes. And I just put it in like that. And so I'm going to add my fruit. So I just am going to, for this one, I'm going to add just frozen cranberries. Okay. And too, when you serve your drinks, you can add ice in your glass, your wine glass or glass, or you could add frozen fruit, and you could add just that much extra flavor as well. All right, so instead of, when you want to make a mocktail sangria, you want to use juice instead, fruit juice instead of your wine. You want to get that sweetness in there, so I'm going to use cranberry juice. And then I'm going to mix mine with lime, Sprite. And I don't know how much Sprite I'm going to use. Just a second, not as much. Thanks, hon. Oop, I'm spilling everywhere. I like actually this, they brought back this SodaStream Lemon Lime simple syrup. So I kind of like that. So that's what I'm using instead of Sprite. I'm looking for, if anybody has like a lemon lime recipe with monk fruit, send it my way. Or if there's some type of lemon lime monk fruit or stevia simple syrup, let me know. The stuff that I use, this diet lemon lime from SodaStream, does have a little bit of Splenda, and I don't like Splenda, so I try not to use it very often. But anyway, so if you guys know of any, just drop them in the comments and I would be happy with you. Okay, so then I'm just gonna have that Sprite and top it up, and then I'm going to put that in the fridge for 2 hours. Isn't that pretty? Anyways, that is how easy it is to make your own sangria. It just takes a few minutes. And it's so delicious. You guys gotta try it. It's so good. Anyways, if you have any questions, throw them in the comments, and I will be enjoying this a little bit later on with my hubby. Have a great night, everybody. If I don't talk to you before New Year's, have a very happy New Year's, and I'm hoping to make some cocktails tomorrow night as well to bring in the new year with you guys. Take care, everyone. Bye.